At ICP, we're going to be making some changes to the tops of our tanks that are in the fleet. We're converting it all to universal plumbing sizes, and we're going to be sending the customers a conversion kit. You're looking at now the contents of the conversion kit. There's going to be 3 quick disconnects for nitrogen and 2 JIC fittings for the fluid lines. First thing we're going to want to do is grab our hose that we have currently hooked up to the tanks, and we're going to remove the fittings that are in place today, keeping in mind that the female tank fitting will go on the red line and the male tank fitting will go on the blue line, or the B side of your tanks. Simply take a couple of wrenches and undo these fittings and replace them with the 1/2-inch fittings that are in the conversion kit. Again, you have to make sure that you don't put the wrong fitting on the wrong line. Your female fitting will be going on the red line. And then you'll take some wrenches and some Teflon tape and get those tightened back up. You may also have a different type of delivery hose, one that looks something like this. It's the same thing. You'll go to the ball valve, you'll take this fitting out, and you'll replace it with the appropriate 1/2-inch fitting. Then we're going to move to install these quick disconnect fittings onto our nitrogen lines. These don't matter in what order you put them on. You just want to remove the current silver fittings that are on your nitrogen coming from your regulator, and you're going to go ahead and put these gold fittings on. You may also have a pressure test gauge supplied when you originally bought the system. This will also have to have the silver fitting removed and a gold fitting installed. If you don't have one, then you won't need to worry about that. So just to recap, the hose assembly will need to have 1/2-inch JIC fittings put on at the tank side, and we're going to remove the normal fitting here beyond the ball valve and replace it with these 1/2-inch fittings, keeping in mind, very important, that the female swivel fitting will have to go on the red ISO line. And then you're going to do your 2 nitrogen feed lines, replacing the silver quick disconnect with the gold quick disconnect, and that should be it.